This is a quick play-along video for Jingle Bells. We'll be using just 5 chords here: a C, an F, a D, a G, and a G7. The strum pattern I'm using throughout the song is just a down, down, up, down, up, down, up pattern with a swing to it. So 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and. So for the form of the song, there's a 4-bar intro, which we're just playing a C chord. And then when we get to the first A section of the song, you could think of it as the verse, the Jingle Bells part. We've got 4 bars of C, 1 bar of F, another bar of C, 1 bar of D, and then we've got a bar that's split, so sharing 2 beats of G and 2 beats of G7. You could just choose to stay on the G or the G7 for the whole of that bar. And then we go back to 4 bars of C, 1 bar of F, another bar of C, and then we have another split bar of G and G7. So the G on beats 1 and 2, the G7 on beats 3 and 4, and finally a bar of C to finish that section. For the B section, or the bridge, we have 3 more bars of C, 2 bars of F, and a bar of G, and then a bar of G7, and then a bar of C, and then those 8 bars are repeated again, so 3 more bars of C, 2 of F, 1 of G, 1 of G7, and finally another bar of C. So that's the B section. Both the A section and the B section, 16 bars long. And the form of the song, like I say, is a 4-bar intro, 4 bars of C, and then we play the A section, then the B section, the bridge, and then the A section again. Then for the ending of the song, we just play the final line again, but we stretch it out this time, playing 2 bars of G, 2 bars of G7, 3 bars of C, and then we do our classic C, G7, C ending. So, in a one-horse open sleigh. So, Jingle Bells.